Think about this. Tesla using sensors and computing power to optimize maintenance. Now imagine bringing this same ideology to your process plant with FOCUS-1. Let me tell you 3 ways how FOCUS-1 can simplify your maintenance. Number 1. FOCUS-1 is a smart device. It enables predictive maintenance by not only alarming you about a problem, but also telling you how to fix them. Number 2. Less components. FOCUS-1 replaces multiple separate devices, so you have less points of maintenance and failure. Third, a digital backup. FOCUS-1 is supported by a digital twin, ensuring continuous operation. In case of a measurement failure, the digital twin takes over and ensures normal operation. So just as Tesla saves you one less trip to the car shop, FOCUS-1 makes sure that your process keeps on running smoothly.